have a question for you guys. When was Franciacorta traditional method sparkling wine first bottled? 1920, 1961, or 1995? I knew you were gonna go for 1920, but it's not the right answer. It's 1961. I mean, Franciacorta has been made forever, you know, like the Romans were there, but actually Franciacorta as a traditional method sparkling wine was made in 1961. You can check more videos on our website to learn more about this, but in the meanwhile, let's go see where Franciacorta is. Franciacorta is just right underneath Lake Iseo, a beautiful lake that does like this, look, a beautiful S, Alpi Retiche over here, bringing a lot of cold breeze down the valley, and between the Oglio River and the Mella River, all this land, which is like a morainic kind of a soil that came out from the glaciers, is actually where Chardonnay, 81%, Pinot Nero, 15%, 3% of Pinot Blanc, and 1% of Herba Mate is produced in the area. 30,000 hectares. It's not Franciacorta, it's Champagne with 300 million bottles. Franciacorta is 3,000 hectares with 15 million bottles. Okay, so what else can we talk about? 19 towns is where this wine can be produced with 121 cantine, 121 cellars. But let's go see the different styles of Franciacorta. So first of all, you have the Franciacorta straight, then that it has to be in the cellar for 18 months in contact with the lees and 25 months before it's released in the market. Same period of time, but then you have the Satèn Franciacorta, which has to be 5 atmospheres only, so 1 atmosphere less than the regular Franciacorta. Then you will have the Rosè Franciacorta that has to have a minimum of 35% of Pinot Noir. Same aging, so 18 months on the lees and 25 months before it's released in the market. What other Franciacortas are out there? You have the Franciacorta Millesimato, which is the vintage Franciacorta. You have to have a minimum of 85% of the same vintage harvest in your Franciacorta and 30 months minimum of aging in contact with the lees. The Riserva Franciacorta is 5 years in contact with the lees. So as a result, it's gonna be bigger, more structured. Then let's go see the sugar residual. So you will come across the Padosé, which is no sugars or up to 3 grams, the Extra Brut up to 6 grams per liter, the Brut, which is up to 12 grams, the Extra Dry 12 to 17 grams, sec or dry, just to make it more difficult, is anything between 17 and 32 grams per liter, and then the sweet style, very few bottles, maybe sec, 33 to 50 grams. Whatever your style is, enjoy a glass of Franciacorta. It sounds like an advertisement, and it is. I love this wine, man. Cheers. Do you want to know more about wine, guys? Well, do you know what to do? You can follow our social media. You can follow me, because I follow you. And check our website, mamablip.com, or our YouTube channel. So many options out there, so many options.